I'm not ready yet. I'm a perfectionist. I love perfection. Every detail, every angle has to be perfect. It's not good enough. Maybe I should wait. Wait for the perfect moment. I always wanted to make a short film, but I never started because I'm not ready yet. This year, I decided to make it happen. But first, I have to be ready. I'm ready. My first attempt wasn't as I expected. When I picked up the camera, I realized that I'm not good enough. I thought I was ready. There would be a perfect start. So I waited for the perfect moment. But what if it doesn't exist? I decided to start small, stop chasing perfection, and stop waiting for the perfect moment. After trials and failures, I realized that perfection is the biggest obstacle. I wanted to be perfect because I'm afraid of failure. But without imperfection, there's no perfection.
Worst come to worst, what's gonna happen? You make it, someone says they don't like it. Will you like it? That's all that matters.
When I start waiting, that's when my journey begins. So, what are you waiting for?